In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to make more money as a writer. Let's get started. I start on the ChatGPT homepage and click the main text field. I paste a detailed prompt asking the AI to act as a freelance writing coach and assistant to help me earn more money. I hit the send button, and ChatGPT instantly generates a comprehensive, multi-step strategy. I scroll up slightly to see the beginning of the output, which focuses on high-value writing services I can offer. It breaks down various categories like content writing for blog posts and SEO content, alongside beginner rates ranging from $15 to $50 per article. As I continue scrolling down, the guide covers copywriting for product descriptions, landing pages, and email marketing, with rates starting at $20 to over $100 per project. Next, I review the section on how ChatGPT can speed up my writing process. It provides concrete prompt examples for rapid topic research, creating detailed outlines, generating professional first drafts, and editing text for better clarity and grammar. It also includes helpful prompts for brainstorming engaging headlines and repurposing one piece of content into multiple deliverables. I keep scrolling to the third section, which outlines where to find clients. It lists top freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, and notes that Facebook groups, LinkedIn networking, and cold outreach are excellent ways to discover recurring work. Right below that, the guide offers a practical, copy-paste template for messaging potential clients. The template focuses on how to professionally offer writing and AI-assisted content services while keeping the interaction brief and highly personalized. Section 5 details exactly how to improve my writing skills so I can charge higher rates. It suggests learning basic SEO fundamentals, building a small portfolio of sample blog posts and email campaigns, and studying successful copy from established industry sources. I continue down to see beginner pricing recommendations across my first 3 months, which shows how to gradually scale up rates as I gain more experience and testimonials. Finally, I review the weekly action plan. This broken down schedule spans from Monday to Sunday, detailing day-by-day tasks like creating writing samples, applying to 10 jobs a day, sending outreach messages, and following up with prospects. It concludes with a realistic first-month income goal milestone of around $150 a week, proving that with consistent daily applications, anyone can successfully kickstart their freelance writing career using ChatGPT. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.